Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here with Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to give you 5 quick and easy tips for your microwave. I'm on the microwave drawer, but it really goes for any microwave, whether it be an over-the-range one, kind of on your island, whatever. But what we want to do first and foremost is nothing in the oven. Let me open the micro here. Nothing in the micro like this. You got to have something in there to cook. That's the most common misconception. Some people want to turn it on. If you turn it on for like a minute or two without anything in there, you'll fry it. It'll actually, catastrophic, bad business. So always have something in there. Second one, look for your cheat sheet. And I always say this to customers. They're sometimes hidden. Sometimes you got to put them on. But here's the cheat sheet. This will really help with all your specialty functions, your sensor cook, your more features like beverage and things like that, and for your defrosting purposes. So always refer to your cheat sheet. If you hit a couple buttons in here, it'll say see label. That's really where that lives, okay? Next, first and foremost, let's talk about cookware too. So you need microwave safe cookware. If you look on the bottom of it, it'll have a picture of a microwave. It'll say microwave safe. We always have to be using microwave safe cookware. We don't want to use anything in the metal that would spark and things like that, really cause fire or damage to the unit. So think about that. Microwave safe cookware is all BPA free. You know what I mean? It won't, no harmful plastics, and it won't melt. So be safe on that one too. So the first couple are really about safety. Next one, is a warming drawer. So a lot of these, 99% of these come with a warming drawer feature. So it'll say keep warm, give you about 30 minutes of, uninterrupted low temperature, so it won't really overcook it, so we can kind of keep it warm, keep it rocking really nice, okay? So think about all those, and then really I like to talk about, you have your standard defrost here, but you have that reheat on a lot of these models. Now, that's for any fully cooked product. Reheat it lowers the magnetrons and lowers the wattage in the oven and really makes it so this microwave doesn't really blast it with full power. So think about that. And then another key is really think about using your dedicated settings, because it's almost like telling a computer. Give it a little input. It knows we're heating up a slice of pizza, and you won't hit it at 100% power. It lowers that wattage, adjusts it to really make great food. So, and use these tips every day, with your microwave applications to keep it running smoothly and keep it cooking efficiently. Thank you so much.